everyone, I hope your new year is off to a wonderful start. I love reorganizing my pantry at the beginning of the year. I know that sounds like quite a nerdy thing to do, but it is so refreshing to start the new year off feeling organized and ready to jump into cooking. Normally I do this by myself in like a 3-hour period, but I thought this year would be really fun to invite all of you guys along with me. And so instead of a 3-hour period, I'm doing 31 days of tips, tricks, and recipes to get us started. If you're anything like me, and I know this is probably completely different than what you would guess based on Instagram, you have all of this stuff in your pantry. Half bags of beans, bags that you're not even sure what's in, things that you bought that you're like, oh, I'm gonna learn how to use this, and you don't. Now is the time to pull all of that out, organize, and get ready for the new year, because you most likely already have meals that you can make from all your pantry ingredients, and that is the best feeling. Since it's day one, what we're gonna do is we are gonna pull everything out of our pantry. Get all of those old grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, anything that you have lingering around from last year, pull it out, figure out what's good and what's not. Hopefully you guys don't have too much to throw away, but I know things can often get away from you, and if you haven't done this in a while, it could be you have things stashed in your pantry that haven't seen the light of day for years. I have been there, it is okay. That's why we're doing the pantry reset. Here are some pretty basic tips to help you get started, and it's all about using your nose. So for whole grains, pseudo grains, anything that's still kind of in its whole form, these last a while. And so even if it's been in there 6 months to a year, it might still be good. You want to smell it. If it smells bad, pitch it, replace. If it doesn't, put this on your list to use. Legumes like lentils, beans, same thing. In their whole form, they can last a while. However, if you've ever noticed that your lentils don't quite cook right or your beans are not getting tender, they might be old. Older legumes don't cook as well. And so if you notice that, it's time to pitch and replace. Any grain that is not in its whole form, like rolled oats, steel cut oats, and flours, go rancid quicker. And so that's something that you really want to check and make sure it still smells good. If it doesn't, pitch it and move on. And finally, nuts and seeds. I keep all of my nuts and seeds in the freezer because the oils in the nuts and seeds tend to make them go rancid quicker than, say, your grains or legumes. As you can see, I keep them in smaller quantities, and so they're less likely to go bad. Now that you have everything pulled out of your pantry and you know what you're keeping and what you're using, it's time to make a game plan. Figure out some recipes and ideas that you might want to use with those ingredients you have already on hand. That's simple. That's one less thing you have to buy at the grocery store this week. And best of all, I'm gonna have 30 more days to help you guys get your pantry back in shape, full of inspiration, and hopefully reduce a little food waste in the process. I'll be uploading new videos for the next 30 days, and I hope you guys will follow along. They'll be on the site, on YouTube, on social media. Also, feel free to reach out with questions. I love helping you guys figure out what to do with the ingredients you have on hand. So even if you say, I have amaranth and I have no idea what to do with it, let me know and I'll point you guys in the right direction. I'm really excited to take this journey with you guys, and welcome to my pantry reset.